Hey, y'all know I love my sausage and peppers. I'm going to show you how to make some flatbread. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and we're going to use the pizza oven and the griddle. Y'all watch, this is going to be super good. All right, y'all, this is gonna be so good. When I was a kid, I picked a lot of bell peppers. We raised a lot of bell peppers over here. When they finished the train tracks from New Orleans to Chicago, we raised a lot of vegetables and strawberries, and that was all put on the trains and brought up north. So we still known for growing peppers around this area. This stuff is ready. We're gonna squirt a little oil on here. Already hot. Ooh, listen to that. Let them sizzle. All right, y'all, right up the road here, they make the best andouille sausage, La Place, Louisiana. Now, I'm gonna show you about andouille. People don't know. If you don't know andouille is made with bigger chunks of meat, okay? Most sausage is ground up fine. This is ground up little. So here we go. We're gonna chop this up, little pieces. Actually, we're gonna pre-cook it. We're gonna go ahead and cook it up on the Blackstone. Ooh, yes. Y'all got it all ready? Look at here, look at here, look at there. Y'all, it's not gonna take long. We're gonna let this sit just a minute, heat up. I'm gonna flip it a couple times, mix it all together. And it won't be long, we'll be putting it on the pizza oven. Well, sausage and peppers are done. Fixing to put it on this flatbread right here. Now we're gonna spruce it up a little bit. Y'all know I can't just go regular. We just got some Alfredo sauce right here. And watch what we're gonna do with it. I'm gonna drizzle it on here a little bit. A little here. All right, y'all, this is pretty simple. This stuff you can probably get at your house. You can make it easy. If not, run to the store and get some flatbread. Whatever you need, go get it. Because this is simple. Favorite part, we're fixing to make this look real pretty. Look at all this, y'all. Come on over here and see us over here. All right, we're gonna put this on here. Y'all, pepper, the sausage, a couple more right here. I ain't through yet. I'm not through. Watch this. Ooh. Now I like to use this mozzarella cheese on this. We're gonna sprinkle a good bit on here. Oh, all right, y'all, I think that's pretty good. All you gotta do is drop it in the pizza oven. I got it preheat it. I ain't gonna take 2 or 3 minutes to do that now. We're gonna get over here, chop a little of this up. Just put it on top, not a lot. Make it look pretty, you know. Just a little bit of that Italian parsley. We're gonna cut it up pretty fine little pieces. Every once in a while, Bruce likes to get fancy. All right, y'all, it ought to be ready now. Watch this. Y'all, that's pretty, ain't it? All right, y'all, it's cooled off a lot down here. So we're gonna cut it up and we're gonna eat it. Watch this, y'all. Just a different way to have bread, you know. And this could be a whole meal or some side meal. Either way you want it, you know. I think I'm gonna eat it right now, y'all. Pepper and sausage and cheese, you can't go wrong with this. Flatbread. Y'all seen how to do it? It's simple, it's easy, it's quick, and it's good to eat.